Nasa bus na tayo ulit. We're now heading to Hanoi. So, goodbye Sapa. It has been a wonderful experience. Thank you for the core memories. Now, we're off to another place called Hanoi in Vietnam. So, it's a city. So, I think it's a different vibe from Sapa. So, ayan. So, nasa bus kami. Loading na siya ng mga passengers. Nakasakay kami sa sleeper bus. So, ito so you have your own LED television. May wifi naman on board. Tapos yan, may control nung pang masahe to. Massage bed siya. Ito yung aircon na hindi mo kailangang i-on right now sa sobrang lamig. Si Marky po yan, nasa kabila. Yan, si Marky. Ayan. So, ayan, may headset siya pag gusto mo manood. And then, may charger siya. So, nag-charge ako ng wifi namin. And then, kung may headphone ka, gusto mong ilagay, andyan din siya. Ito yung password niya and, wifi. And then, ito yung unan niya. I think ito, for emergency purposes, the red one. Ito yung pambasag ng salamin if ever, whatever happens, na sana wala namang mangyari. You have your own blanket. Malamig kasi sa biyahe. And you can close your curtain like this kung gusto mo ng privacy. Ayan. Ganda rin sa daka namin papunta. Okay naman, nakatulog ako. So I thought nung una medyo akala ko mahirap. Pero hindi naman pala. So nakahiga ka lang all throughout the biyahe. Which is okay lang naman kasi talagang itutulog mo. So, alis kami ng 10 a.m. yung biyahe. Sapa to Vietnam will take about, around 6 hours. So, dating kami doon ng mga 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Diretso check-in. So, i-drop off ka nila sa hotel mo. So, diretso check-in muna kami, pahinga, unpack, and then tsaka kami maghahanap ng pwedeng kainan sa Hanoi before we start our activities tomorrow. So, this is a very good experience. I am recommending everyone na magpunta to visit because it's, for me, Sapa personally is a very comfortable place. It's safe. For me, it's safe. Hindi ka matatakot mag-travel dito. Masaya. So maybe you can try this out.